Hello everyone and welcome back. Here we're going to show you how to draw a simple Angry Bird drawing using just one pen tool and then adjusting the size. So as before, you have a traced image of the Angry Birds, and if you push the sliding bar up, you will see what the original image looks like, and this is going to be our canvas, and so we go midway in order to do the tracing. But first, let's select the pen and the pen size. So we'll go for charcoal and then increase the size, keep the density and hardness to the maximum. So, and then we pick a color. So we got the dark color there. So let's see what that looks like. Well, as you can see, the circle that we want to draw slightly thinner. So let's increase the size a little bit more. Let's try again. Again, it's still too thin. Okay, that looks a bit better. So our first drawing is going to be this the bird shape. So let's go with that. Don't worry about not getting it right first time. There, so that's what we did. As you can see, not too bad, this is our first attempt. So again, so now we're going to also see if we can draw the other features of the bird. So again, let's draw the eyes and the beak. As you can see, the size is slightly smaller, so let's reduce it a little bit and see how that looks like. Yep, I think I'm okay with that. So let's go ahead, draw the beak. And then we can draw the outline of the eyebrow. Yeah. So let's have a look and see what that looks like. Not too bad. So we can finish the other shapes here. And then this. The reason I'm outlining this is that because it's thicker, we're actually going to shade over it. So again, let's see what it looks like. Not bad. Okay, so now we're going to increase tad more on the size and then start filling it in like this. The eyebrow. If you want, you can bring the scale down as much as you like so you can see more of your drawing. Okay, so the tail. So you can spend more time, as you see, because you can see I'm actually doing this rather quickly. Okay, so this is the original and this is our drawing. I'd say that's not a bad effort in the first attempt. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, thank you. Bye.